Perfect. Okay, so big day today.
Yes.
So final teeth, how do they feel?
Fantastic.
So tell me a little bit, how did you find us? What were your expectations kind of when you started this process?
I had no idea between the difference between the all-in-one and the 3-on-6.
Yeah.
And you explained those differences to me, which are vast. And really didn't even know that literally they would be removing my entire gum line had I gone somewhere else surgically, and that it was a complete horseshoe prosthetic that was not divided into thirds, and that I would be losing my gum line, and that an artificial gum line would be replacing that. And so I was very thankful that I had discovered you guys.
How was, and that is really one of the accolades in what we really do, right? As you know, how was cleansability of the temporaries, things like that? Could that have been better? Was there anything that you really felt like you struggled with that was outside of your expectation?
No, the originals are larger because they're temps, and they get smaller and smaller and smaller till the final product. And they're composite, whereas this is the porcelain, and it takes time for the bone to grab the 12 implants. I had a full upper and lower prosthetic installed, as you know, and you were able to achieve a complete Michelangelo of the entire mouth, because I had not had you remove the teeth in the first place, so you had no idea what you were dealing with. And sure enough, you were able to completely construct a mouthful of teeth that are working just great. And yes, the ability for me to maintain them during the process was fantastic. Using the water pick and to keep them clean, and then being able to brush them like normal teeth and everything was fine.
What about so cleansability is always important for me. What about your comfort level post surgery? Because we did your surgery a little bit different. Was your, because they had taken all the teeth away already, and we were starting, we had some soft tissue work we had to do and things like that. Was your comfort level post surgery within the bracket of your expectation, or would you say was it a little tougher than you thought, a little easier than you thought?
It was easier than I thought. It was, and I'm not lying. It was a lot less. I mean, coming out of a full extraction, I knew the meaning of pain, and then it just got. There was no pain after that. First, there was our surgery, which naturally has the normal level of discomfort. But then after that, pain-free experience all the way through up until now, which has been the entire process of the bones in my mouth, in my jaw, grabbing hold of the implants and holding them and forming with them. And there you have it. I can't imagine what it would have been like, or what it would be like to have no gums.
Do you have any regrets, or do you have any wants? Is there anything that, if you had the ultimate power, what would you have made different about the process, if anything?
Nothing. I mean, there's a modern tool that you are adding to your process that you talk about, but it's a minor thing that makes it easier for you, as innovation and modern technology continue to move forward on the topic. And this is a newer process that's not being used as widely as the other process, but I'm confident as a result of what I've experienced that this should probably overcome that process.
Yeah, I think so. I think you're right. You're a pretty smart guy. You're pretty
Thanks.
tuned into all of it. Well, I want to tell you something. It was an absolute pleasure.
Yes.
Your case for me, every time I saw you on the schedule, I was quite excited. So yeah.
Thank you.
And the outcome, I think, for me, I don't think I could have changed your outcome. I think I achieved everything I wanted to achieve. So couldn't happen to a nicer guy.
I couldn't have had a better surgeon. You're a very talented individual and your staff is excellent. I have medallions that I wanted to bestow upon you. This is for technical expertise in the field.
You're crazy.
And this is for over and above achieving in your field. And these are for your assistants who I had an honor working with. They're really awesome.
Where did these come from?
You just ask Google anything and it'll provide whatever you ask for. And thank God Google helped me and provided me with you.
You're outstanding, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.